carpizzos. Oh my God, look at the meatballs behind me. That's what we had the other day. Meatballs with ricotta cheese that makes them moist, and you put them on the stove and your sauce, your gravy, and you cook them for hours, and by God, they'll melt in your mouth. So that's another talk in itself. But to make meatballs is a traditional, Americanized, but it's also in Italy and Greece. Everybody makes meatballs. The Mediterranean loves meatballs. People love meatballs and spaghetti. Go to any restaurant, that's what you're going to get. So remember, try this, Google it, and get this recipe. And it's meatballs with ricotta cheese. It's a very simple recipe. This is Pizza Carpizzo thanking you again, and we love you all. So